So I'm going to show you how the voice control or the voice command for your camera, basically for taking photos or starting a video, basically you just say a particular word and it'll snap or record videos. And this is for your Samsung Galaxy S6 as well as your Samsung Galaxy S7. Now the S7 does have one additional feature that I really like that the S6 or the S5 doesn't have, and I'll show you that in 1 second. So let's do this, okay? So let's go ahead and open up the camera. And then if you see the settings here, let me tap on the settings here. And if I scroll down, you'll see where it says voice control, okay? So let me just toggle that off and let me put it back on. And you can see here, basically if I say smile, cheese, capture, or shoot, it'll take a picture. If I say record video, then it's going to record a video. So let me show you this. And of course it's going to do the back facing as well as the front facing. I'll show you examples of both of those as well. So I have it on right now. Let me go ahead and open up my camera and we'll say shoot. Okay, right now I actually have it on the timer. Let me turn the timer off. Now this is the default, okay? So shoot, capture, smile, record video. And you can see it's recording video. Now the default here, basically it gives you a 1 second delay. So even if I turn the camera around like this and I wanted to go ahead and take a photo, I have 1 second to smile as soon as I say the magic word. So shoot. So I just said shoot, then I quickly smiled, and I took another photo as well. But you can see that I did smile here. And let's do this. Let's go back to the. Let's do the front-facing camera now. So let me go ahead and flip this towards me, and we'll say, oops. Let me turn the timer off here as well. The default with the timer for the front facing is you automatically get 2 seconds. Okay, shoot. Okay, so that's 2 seconds. Okay, watch again. Capture. Record video. And it's recording video. Okay, so with the front facing, basically you get a 2 second default. But what else you can do, of course, too, if you go into timer here, you can set it 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Let me do this. Let me go ahead and flip the camera back over. And 1 second is kind of tough. So what you can do is just go for the back-facing camera. So what you can do is you can go to the timer here, and then we can set it 2 seconds instead. So for example, shoot. You can see the seconds up there. Capture. Okay, now so the S6 and S7 were exactly the same except one thing. Okay, the S7 has an additional feature which is really awesome. Let me show you. This is the S7 here. Okay, this is actually the S6, but the S7 has this one additional feature on here. Let me show you here. Let me go ahead and make sure that that is actually enabled here. Oops. What's going on here? Let me tap on that, and then let me go to shooting method. Yeah, so for the S7 you have to go under shooting methods rear, but of course you can do it back facing and front facing as well. Okay, so I have it on here. So of course it works the same way too, and let me show you this additional feature, but hold up. Shoot. Okay, you can see that I have the timer on here. Okay, it's on 5 seconds. Okay, this is actually what I want to show you. You can take three photos. So let me just go into timer here. I have it set on 5 seconds. I also have this checked here. It says take 3 shots. So this is really really cool. Definitely very, very useful. But again, it's only on the S7. The S6 and the S5 do not have this option. Let me show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on the timer for 2 seconds, and I'll take 3 photos. Okay. So we'll go ahead and go into the camera, and I will say shoot. There's 1 photo, 2 photos, 3 photos. So that's pretty cool. And the same thing, even if you go into the front-facing camera, you'll have that same option as well. So if I go in the front-facing camera here, and then I tap on the timer here, I'll get that same option as well. I can take 3 photos, or I can check it, or I can uncheck it. And we'll just give an example real fast. Shoot. And there you go. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, comment below. If you subscribe, share, like, I appreciate it. All right. Thanks. Bye.